Ever wondered if your body is making sounds even when you're completely silent? Here's something wild. Your organs are constantly producing vibrations and noises you can't hear. Scientists have discovered that everything from your heartbeat to the subtle movement of your intestines generates tiny, inaudible sounds. Even your lungs create microscopic vibrations as air rushes through the bronchi, producing a hidden rhythm inside you. Medical experts use ultra-sensitive microphones and advanced imaging to detect these secret symphonies, revealing that each organ has its own unique voice print. These vibrations can be so distinct that doctors can sometimes diagnose illnesses just by analyzing the body's internal acoustics. Imagine your stomach gurgles, your liver hums, your bones resonate, all below the level of human hearing. All this happens without you ever making a sound or even realizing it. So next time you're sitting in silence, remember, your body is alive with secret music, a hidden soundtrack only cutting-edge technology can reveal. Isn't that absolutely mind-blowing?